Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this LEGO Joruus C'baoth minifigure. So without any further ado, let's get into this. The legs for this minifigure will come from the Last Jedi Kylo Ren, as I wanted to give it a chainmail-y kind of look. The torso will come from this LEGO Batman minifigure, as those robes work really well. The beard just comes from a Santa LEGO minifigure. You can use any beard, I just didn't want to cover up that Batman torso. The head comes from the 12th Doctor LEGO minifigure, as it gives it that stern, angry kind of look. Finally, the hair for this minifigure comes from the Doc Brown, as it gives it a nice combed back look. If you've assembled the minifigure correctly, it should look like this. Feel free to pause here if you just need a reference photo. Overall, I quite like how this minifigure turned out. I've just finished reading the Thrawn Trilogy, so I've got a few customs for it prepared, which is very nice. If you have any requests for any minifigures you'd like to see, feel free to comment that down below. Also, if you're not subscribed, it would be very nice if you did, because then I'd just be a bit spurred on to make some more. Also, give this video a like, because that'd be very nice. If you're interested in creating more purist custom LEGO minifigures, feel free to click on my How to Make a LEGO Blank playlist now.